Welcome to your PTCB exam prep. Today, we're diving into the federal requirements for controlled substance prescriptions. Understanding these regulations is crucial for passing the exam and for safe pharmacy practice. The Controlled Substances Act, or CSA, is designed to prevent drug diversion, ensure safe handling, and regulate the manufacture of controlled drugs. The Drug Enforcement Administration, or DEA, uses schedules to classify controlled substances based on their potential for abuse and accepted medical use. This directly impacts prescription requirements. Let's review the 5 DEA schedules and some common examples you need to know for the exam. Schedule 1 drugs have a high potential for abuse and no currently accepted medical use, such as heroin. You won't be dispensing these in a pharmacy setting. Schedule 2 drugs have a high potential for abuse, but do have accepted medical uses. Examples include powerful pain medications, like oxycodone, and stimulants like Adderall. Schedule 3 substances have a moderate to low potential for physical or psychological dependence. This includes combination products like Tylenol with codeine. Schedule 4 drugs have a low potential for abuse. Common examples are anxiety medications like benzodiazepines. Finally, Schedule 5 drugs have the lowest abuse potential and often include some cough syrups with codeine. Now let's look at the federal requirements for new controlled substance prescriptions. Every prescription must include the prescriber's full name, address, and, crucially, their DEA registration number. You also need the patient's full name and address, along with the prescriber's manual signature on the prescription. For Schedule 2 medications, there are stricter rules. They generally must be written or electronically transmitted. Verbal or fax prescriptions are typically not allowed, except in emergency situations, which must be followed up with a written script. Next up, refilling controlled substance prescriptions. For Schedule 3, IV and V drugs, refills are permitted, but there is a limit, a maximum of 5 refills within 6 months after the date the prescription was issued. A critical point for the exam is that Schedule 2 prescriptions are strictly prohibited from being refilled. A new prescription is required every time. Understanding how to transfer prescriptions is also an important part of controlled substance regulations. Schedule 3 through V prescriptions can be transferred only once between licensed pharmacists, and specific documentation is required, including voiding the original and recording the receiving pharmacy details. Just like with refills, Schedule 2 prescriptions cannot be transferred between pharmacies. Let's summarize the most important points to help you ace the controlled substance section of your PTCB exam. Remember, no refills or transfers for Schedule 2 drugs. Schedules 3 through V allow a maximum of 5 refills within 6 months, and all controlled prescriptions require a valid DEA number.